Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will be talking about cybersecurity stocks, why you should be looking into cybersecurity stocks, why cybersecurity stocks are important, what are the top companies that might skyrocket when it comes to stocks in the next couple of years focusing on cybersecurity, and some other companies that you should be looking into when it comes to cybersecurity. So by the end of this video, you will have an idea of what these companies are doing, the major companies right now when it comes to cybersecurity, what are their services, and what have been their revenue, market cap, and the growth so far when it comes to these companies. So why cybersecurity stocks? Most of the companies, 6 out of 10 businesses, are moving towards cloud, which brings and tremendous increase when it comes to cyber attacks. 400% increase. There has also been a federal funding by the US government for 9.98 billion to mitigate these type of attacks. Russian hackers can infiltrate a computer network in 18 minutes. The source is Crowdstrike, another really good cybersecurity company, and more than 6,000 online criminal marketplaces. They sell ransomware products on dark web and services for cyber attacks. And the source is McAfee, another antivirus cybersecurity company, and there is a hack in every 39 seconds. So these are some insights of cybersecurity stocks and why these cybersecurity stocks are going to skyrocket in the next couple of years, because there's an increased demand for these type of companies to look into on the defensive side of cybersecurity. So the first company I want to talk about is Crowdstrike. So when it comes to Crowdstrike engages in the provision of cloud-delivered solutions for next-generation endpoint protection that offers cloud modules on their Falcon platform, which is a software as a service subscription-based model, and it operates through domestic and international geographic segments. The ticker for Crowdstrike is CRWD, and the market cap is 40.6 billion as of now. Stock price stands at $177. It was founded in 2011. Number of employees in 2022 were 2,309, and in 2021 3,394. So already 1,000 number of employees increase. CEO of the CrowdStrike is George Kurtz. George Kurtz was also SVP Risk Management of McAfee from 2004 to 2008 for 2 years, and he was also the Chief Technology Officer for McAfee. He was promoted to that, and he was for the next 4 years, 2009 to 2011, and then later on founding CrowdStrike. The revenue for CrowdStrike is 380.05 million. If you look at their CrowdStrike second quarter fiscal 2022 financial highlights, the revenue has been generated for 337.7 million, a 70% increase compared to 199 million in the second quarter of fiscal 2021. The subscription revenue for the Falcon platform was 315.8 million, a 70% increase compared to 184.3 million in the second quarter of fiscal 2021. So this is from the second quarter fiscal 2022 financial highlights, and you can see there has been a tremendous growth. They have also added 1,660 new subscription customers in the quarter, for a total of 13,080 subscription customers as of July 31st, 2021, looking at an 81% growth year over year. CrowdStrike, I've personally used the Falcon platform. It's really great. It's really good to look at how the software works. There's a similar company known as SolarWinds, but it was recently hacked. So SolarWinds' reputation is kind of gone down a little bit, but that's also really good software. You can look into SolarWinds also. The second company I'm going to talk about is Zscaler. The ticker is ZS. It's an American cloud-based information security company. The headquarters is in San Jose, California, and the company has more than 150 data centers with customers in 185 countries. So Also talks about cloud-based information security. When it comes to Zscaler, the market cap is at 36.07 billion. It was founded in 2007. CEO is Jay Chaudhry. Stock price right now is at $257.5, and the revenue as of 2020 was 673 million. Number of employees in 2020 were 2020, and in 2021 3,153. Type of services Zscaler provides is secure web gateway, cloud firewall, cloud intrusion prevention system, cloud data loss prevention, cloud sandbox, cloud access security broker, SSL inspection, machine learning security, zero trust network, and cloud security in general. If you look at Zscaler's fourth quarter highlights, the revenue has grown 57% year over year to 197.1 million. The calculated billings have grown 70% year over year to 332.2 million, and deferred revenue has grown 71% year over year to 630.6 million. The CEO of Zscaler also posted on LinkedIn and said, "I'm pleased to announce that Zscaler executed an exceptionally strong quarter, fiscal year 2022, with 70% billings growth and 62% revenue growth. I'm especially proud that we are delivering the stellar growth numbers at scale, reaching 1 billion in annual recurring revenue." When it comes to the CEO of Zscaler, Jay Chaudhry, he was before Zscaler, he was the CEO, chairman, and founder of Air Defense. It was a market leader in wireless network security and was later on acquired by Motorola. Before that, he was vice chairman and chief strategy officer for secure computing from August 2006 to September 2007, and that company was vendor to offer a complete enterprise gateway security solution. Messaging gateway security was added through the acquisition of CipherTrust. So also a really good company to look at. The third is Fortinet, ticker being FTNT. Also develops and sells cybersecurity solutions such as physical firewalls, antivirus software, intrusion prevention systems, and endpoint security components. The market cap is at 50.67 billion. It was founded in 2000. CEO is Ken Xie. He holds a master's in electrical engineering from Stanford University. The stock price stands at $309.88. Revenue generated 2.59 billion. Employees in 2020 were 8,238, and in 2021 9,700. If you look at the full year 2020 fiscal report of Fortinet, the total revenue generated by the company is 2.59 billion, 20% increase year over year. Product revenue 916.4 million, 16% increase year over year. Service revenue 1.68 billion, up by 22% year over year, and billings of 3.09 billion, also up by 19% year over year. The next company is Sumo Logic, ticker being SUMO, cloud-based machine data analytics company. It focuses on security operations. It also provides log management and analytics services that leverage machine-generated big data to deliver real-time IT insights. The market cap of company is 1.29 billion. It was founded in 2010. CEO is Ramin Sayar. Stock price stands at $11 only, and revenue generated is 155 million. And the employees right now there are only 800 employees in the company. If you look at this company, market cap is 1.29 billion with 800 employees. Revenue generated 155 million, and stock price stands at $11. And if you look at their fourth quarter fiscal 2021 financial highlights, the revenue was 54.2 million, increase of about 22% year over year. When it comes to the CEO, Sami Nair, he was before his company member board of directors for a company known as Tejian. Its mission was to secure the human layer using machine learning technology, automatically stopping data breaches, threat caused by human error, and employees were empowered to do their best work without security getting in their way. That was the motto of the company. He was the board of directors, the member board of directors for 1 year and 4 months from 2020, and still being the board of director there. Next company I want to talk about is Palo Alto. It's also, you guys must be heard and familiar of Palo Alto. Its ticker stands at PANW. Palo Alto engages in the provision of network security solutions to enterprises, service providers, and government entities that are already a huge name in cybersecurity. Its core product is their platform that includes advanced firewalls and cloud-based offerings that extend those firewalls to cover other aspects of security. The market cap of Palo Alto is 50.26 billion. It was founded in 2005. CEO is Nikesh Arora from 2018. And stock price stands at $509.4. Revenue is 1.25 billion. Employees as of 2020 were 8,014, and as of 2021, 10,473. If you look at Palo Alto's networks report, fiscal fourth quarter 2021 financial results, their revenue grew 28% year over year to 1.2 billion, and fiscal year 2021 revenue grew 25% to 4.3 billion. Looking at their fiscal fourth quarter, their billings grew 34% year over year to 1.9 billion, and fiscal year 2021 billings grew 27% to 5.5 billion. So when it comes to the CEO of Palo Alto, he was president and COO at SoftBank for 1 year. Before that, he was CBO at Google for 9 years, and before that, CMO at T-Mobile. So all these companies I just went through, they have a huge potential of having their foot first in the cybersecurity market and providing IT solutions to big corporations, and that's why their stock prices are definitely going to grow in the next couple of years. When it comes to these companies, these stocks are more for long-term investment rather than short-term investments, and these are the only companies right now in cybersecurity field that are providing enterprise level based solution to big corporations, and that's why their stock prices are going to go up. There's also a huge demand for cybersecurity on the defense side when it comes to big companies, and there's also a tremendous increase for hacks and attacks happening from Russia, Iran, and China, and that's why there's a need for these companies to protect the big corporations in the United States. And also a good point to look at these companies and their stock prices to go up. The other companies you guys should also look at before investing in any of these are Okta, Mimecast, Qualys, Cloudflare, Rapid7, Tenable, CyberArk, and Telos. All these companies are cybersecurity based, providing some sort of cybersecurity solution, single sign-on, and stuff like that. Before investing, I would definitely highly recommend you guys to look into all these companies, look at their revenue that they're generating, look at their fiscal year reports, check the numbers, number of employees, the CEO of the company, how the company was doing, how the previous company was doing when the CEO was working for the previous company, and all that stuff before making a decisive decision to invest in these companies or in any of these companies. So once again, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope you guys like my video. If you like my video, please thumbs up, like my video, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section down below any type of topics that you guys want me to cover. I can definitely do that for you as well. But yes, that's it for today's video. Be safe, be positive, keep hustling, and yeah, be safe, guys. Thank you so much again. I'll see you next week, most probably. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good one.